Hello everyone, today we are going to be making a simple and delicious dry fish concoction rice. I'll be using dry fish catfish, but feel free to use any dry fish you prefer. I'll also be adding fresh tomato, pepper, onions, and leaf and dried shrimps. You can substitute dried shrimps with regular crayfish if you like. I will start by deboning my catfish using warm water. Here is how it looks like after deboning. I have also chopped my fresh pepper and tomatoes, so let's get started. First, pour some groundnut oil into a hot pot. Add your onion, your garlic, and then toss in your chopped tomatoes and pepper. Stir everything together and fry for a few minutes. Then add your pepper soup spice, MAGGI, salt to taste. Stir it all together and let it fry for about 1 minute, 1 minute or 2 minutes thereabout. Now it is time to add your catfish and shrimps for that authentic native flavor. Stir everything together and then let it cook and mingle for a bit. Once that is done, add in your pre-cooked rice. I'm using basmati rice, but feel free to use any rice of your choice. It all depends on what you want to use in making your native rice. But I prefer using basmati rice. But anytime I want to use my normal rice, I can use it. Stir everything together. Make sure you stir it well, and don't forget to add your scent leaf for your concoction rice is coming together. Just make sure to follow these steps and feel free to adjust ingredients based on your taste. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 2 to 5 minutes. And there you have it, delicious concoction rice. I hope you love this recipe. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button down below for more recipe. Thank you and bye guys for watching.